guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Keela. Hey, if not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I installed this nice auburn reddish brown looking bob. If you're interested in this video, please continue to watch. But first, I need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post videos every Thursday and Sunday, and you don't want to miss them. Now, let's get into this video. Okay, guys, so in today's video, I will be installing this copper auburn brown bob. I purchased this bob from AliExpress. I actually bought it sometime last year, and when I first got it, I wasn't really feeling it, but I decided to give it a second try. So yeah, that's what this video is going to be. Also, I will have a video out on this makeup look. It'll either come out before this video or after this video, but I really like how it turned out. I feel like I look like a Barbie doll, but that's not what this video is about. So anyways, just stay on the lookout for that. If you have your post notifications on, then you won't miss it, right? Okay, so my hair is currently in 2 braids. It's been in 2 braids probably for a couple weeks now, but I still oil it. I'm gonna put my brown stocking cap on, and then I don't plan on using any adhesive in this video to lay this bob down. I am going to just use the straps in the back and tighten it to my perfection. So, or not to my perfection, to my satisfaction. Yeah, I'm gonna tighten it to my satisfaction, and I'm just gonna rock it glueless, because that is just the vibe that I've been on lately. No, none of that. So anyways, this is what she looks like. I have already flat ironed her, and I threw some curls in the front. When I purchased it last year, because you know, you see these colors trending and you think like, oh, I can pull it off, but then you don't really know if you can pull it off. And I don't think my confidence was as high last year as it is this year, because this year I've been, you know, stepping outside of the box, trying new things, and so I think I'm ready this year. So yeah, this is what she looks like. We're gonna put her on. Again, this is, I don't think I mentioned this, but this is a 10-inch bob, and it is a T-part. It comes with combs, and it comes with adjustable straps right there in the back. So I don't have any makeup on this part, and I don't think I'm gonna put any on it because I'm gonna put concealer on. So yeah, we'll see. If I don't like it, then I'll take it off and I'll add the makeup to the part. I'm gonna take some concealer, and I am going to define my part. Actually, I'm just gonna take some foundation. I don't even think I'm gonna take any concealer. I've been liking using just like my natural shade of foundation. Sometimes I have a natural, semi-natural shade of concealer, but today we're gonna use foundation. As soon as I find my little brush that I like to use, and I just had it. Okay, here we go. We'll use this one. Here we're gonna define the part. So I may actually have to go in with the concealer because the foundation is a little dark.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna.
Okay, y'all, so fall is my favorite season, but when I tell y'all, I be afraid to try fall colors, some colors anyways. Like, this is my first time trying a root, you know, what is the one I just did? The Outre Begonia. It was dark at the roots, and then it went to, you know, copper cinnamon spice color. This one is at the roots, and so, you know, I was a little hesitant about it, but I actually like it. I like the way it turned out. I love the inch on it. Maybe I'll get one in a longer inch, because like I said in previous videos, I like a 12-inch bob, but the 10-inch bob is given as well. I think this bob is really pretty. I'll have the link in the description box if you guys decide to try it out. Again, you have to customize it to your satisfaction. I think next time I'll probably get a 4x4 so I can, you know, do the parting space myself, because I'm not really feeling this parting space. But all in all, I think it's still a good purchase. It's a good buy, and you know, again, stepping outside my comfort zone. So I think it's pretty, and I think it goes with the makeup, and it's perfect for fall. Copper colors, chocolate colors, brown colors, all of those colors are perfect for fall. So she is definitely given. She's pretty. Again, she is glueless, so no adhesive. You guys saw that. Nothing. This is just her, and she's not going anywhere. Just using the adjustable straps. Now I do want to let you guys know again that I did go in and flat iron this myself, and I didn't hot comb it, so it was already flat. I just went in and flat ironed it, bumped it, and added a little curl to the side, which it is 100% human hair, but I don't think it's holding the curl like I would like for it to hold it. But all in all, I think it's a good wig. I think it's a good look. It's a good try. I'm gonna give it another try with another style, so we'll see how I feel about that. So y'all stay tuned for that as well, because that'll probably drop after this one. I have another unit that is this color, but it's curly, so I'm gonna try that one next. So yeah, y'all stay tuned for that. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post videos every Thursday and Sunday, and you don't want to miss them. Go ahead and turn on your notifications bell as well. All right, that is all. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will catch you in my next one. Peace.